Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I've just got a short little video for you to show you my little Hobbycraft yarn unboxing. There's not a massive amount of variety in this box because it was basically the end of their 3 for 2, the very last day, and also free delivery over, I think it's £20. So I thought I bought quite enough yarn recently, so I thought I would just make the most of that situation to get some more Hayfield Spirit. Isn't this just the most gorgeous yarn that you've ever seen? And I bought 3 and I've not made anything with it, and I kept thinking I must get some more because before long they'll discontinue this colour and colourway and I won't be able to get it. And it doesn't have a name, it's just called Shade 0408, but I absolutely love it. Look at all those colours, they are just dreamy colours. So as it was 3 for 2 and I really couldn't think of anything else that I wanted to pad my order out, they decided to send me a blue one. That's a bit weird, isn't it? So anyway, I got 6 of them. Oh no, I know what it was. Because they were 3 for 2, they were just under the threshold for free delivery. So I just chose this one, which was a nice and inexpensive ball of yarn, and it's the Women's Institute, and it's premium acrylic, really soft, and I wanted to try it because the only Women's Institute yarn I've had before has been really tough, and it was cotton, and I only bought it for a bag strap, but it was really, you couldn't use it for your skin. It would have been dishcloths or something, but this is absolutely lovely. So first time I've really used their yarn other than the nasty. And then on the way home, couldn't resist a little kind of detour into Poundland. Got some more of this chunky with the variegated little flecks. I've got 3 of those. I think I've got 3 of those, so pop them in there. Seen this before, but I couldn't resist it. And because the Aran was more or less sold out, I decided to get 3 peachy coloured Aran yarns. Poundland is so cheap. You get 3 for 2 and you just can't help but buy it. And then I bought 4 of the mint green. You can't really see, it looks white, but it is mint green. If you're in that little hole, you can just about see the fact that it is minty green. So I got 4 of those, and I got 4 of these white with the glitz going through it because I wanted to make some prezzies. So I got 4 of those. So I only spent £6 in Poundland, but you get an awful lot for your money in there. So that's it basically. That was my little haul, and it was mostly this. I just had to get some before it was the end of the line for it. I just figured that it's been around for quite some time, and just in case that they sell out and discontinue it, I thought I'd get some because it's just gorgeous. All I need now is some ideas of what I can make with it, because I've got 6 here and another 3 at home. So that is more than enough. They're 100-gram balls, and I'm not sure if I can see how many yards are in it because it's very pale and not the best of lighting in here, I must say. So it's fully machine washable, which is good, and on a wool cycle. I can't see it. It must be here, but it is very, very faint. It's, do you know what? It may not be. Oh, there it is. I've found it. It's 345 metres and 377 yards approximately. So bearing in mind, I've got 9 of them. I've never made myself an actual garment before, so I really don't know what to do with it. So bearing in mind how much I've got, I might be able to do 1 project or 2. So what do you think? Give me some suggestions. Put it in the comment section. What can I make? It's a DK weight and it's just to die for. What would you make with this? Just give me some suggestions. Give me some inspiration. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, just pop your little finger on the subscribe button. I've got my giveaways going on at the moment. Got a new one yesterday, which was for 2 sets of crochet hooks and a Christmas project book, which was chock-a-block full of little Christmas things to make, and it had free yarn with it. So, no, it actually had a kit, didn't it? It was a kit. So it had a little elf that, or pixie, or whatever you want to call it, that you can make, and all of the stuff, even the stuffing was in there in the kit. So yeah, it had free bits with it as well, so can't be bad. So yeah, there's character sets. They're almost at an end, a few of my giveaways. I think there's a Poundland one that's going to end soon, so check them out. You have to be a subscriber, so if you haven't already, pop your little finger on there and set your notification thingamajig bell to all and become part of the notification squad, and you'll be told when there's new videos. So thanks for watching. Lots of love everyone. Bye for now.